Hi friends, this is my first video and I'm going to know you about set. I'm going to teach you about set introduction here. Now, last year we have studied it. Yeah, let's recall it. Some pictures are given below. It contains the group of things you know. Yeah, we know about that. So, let's start. Flower bouquet. Yeah, it is a set because it contains many type of flower in a bouquet. Bunch of key, folk of word, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. Now, this is this. This is we can call it as a definition of set. Now, we use special word for each of the following collection given below. Above. In all the above examples, we can clearly list the object of that collection. We call the collection of such objects as set. We can call any collection of anything as a set. Now, we have to know about set. Now, observe the collection. Now, happy children in a village. Is this a set? No. Brilliant student of the class. No. In both of the examples, the word happy and brilliant are relevant terms because the exact meaning of these words to be happy to be brilliant differs from person to person. Therefore, this collection are not set. They are not set. Now we know about it. Now see the examples given below and decide whether it is a set or not. Now, first example is days of a week. Yeah, it is a set because it contains Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and many days. Second, month in a year. Yeah, it's a set because January, February, March, April, May, June, July and many more months are there. It is a set. Now, brave children in the class. No, brave word are relevant terms. Therefore, it is not a set. And fourth, force counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They all are counting numbers. They all are sets. Now, fifth example, strong fort of Maharashtra. Yeah, we can count it. Therefore, it is a set because all the forts are containing in Maharashtra. Planet in our solar system. Yeah, it's because it contains Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, etc. Now, next. Now, set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection is called set. It's a proper definition of set. Now, generally the name of set is given using capital letters. Yeah, we can generally means many times it happens. We use the capital letter for the beginning of set. Now, the members of all element of the set are shown by small letters. Yeah, because there is a difference between them. Set contains the element, not an element contains the set. So generally we have to write set name has capital letter and set members in a small letter. Now, if A is an element of set A, then we write it as A element of A, like this. Now, if A is not element of set A, then we can write this, it's not an element of set A. Now, let us observe the set of numbers. Now, n. What is the meaning of n in this set? N means natural number. Natural number contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till the end of numbers. Now, the whole number W. The symbol of whole number is W. Now, whole number contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the end of the numbers. Integers, it's my favorite set. Now, integers, the symbol of integers is I. Means it's look like a number line. -1 to positive number. First the minus number contains, then the positive number contains. At the middle the 0 contains. Here we can see. Now Q, it's very different from all. Q is the symbol of rational number. Rational number means Q. The symbol of rational number is Q. And R, it's common. R is a set of real number. Q is the symbol of rational number because 2R can confuse us. Therefore, the mathematicians give the rational number symbol as Q. Method of writing of set. There are two methods of writing of set: listing and or roster method, or rule or set builders. Now, first we will start from listing method or roster method. In the method, we write all the elements of a set in curly brackets. Curly brackets it is, but in writing it can't be drawn. Therefore, curly brackets are drawn like this. We can draw like this. Anybody can understand about that. Now, in this method, we write all the elements of a set curly brackets. Each of the element is written only one and separated by commas. Means we can't write like 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't write. We have to give a comma here. And something is also missing. We have to write this set, name of this set. It is in roster method. And now the order of an element is not important, but it is necessary we write all the elements of the set. Now I have given a question here. A contains all the natural not 1 to 10 natural number. So I can't write like this A and 10. Can't write like this. I have to write like A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait for some time. Yeah, I have it. We have to write this because we can write also this 2, 1, 3. We have to write all the elements of here, not order, but we have to write all of them. Example: the set of odd number between 1 and 10 can be written as. Now it's an odd number. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Means the element of A is 3, 5, 7, 9. Or A is equal to 7, 3, 5, 9. Now, if an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. Now, I have said B is equal to 2, 2, 1, 4, 8. Now, it's a wrong method because we have to make 2 into 2. 1, 4, 8. It's the proper way. It's not the proper way because it is important. Yeah, it's very important. We have to write one number at once, not two. It will be wrong for it in set. Now example, in the word remember. It's the word remember. R-E, it contains R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. The letters R-M-E are repeated more than once. So, the set of letters of the word is written as A is equal to R-E-M-B because R-M-E is repeated more than once. Now, it's set C. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Now C is equal to, it's the sums and it's our answer. at once only. We have to write all element at once only. Now E, M, O, E it's come here, but we have written it, so we have not written it more time. B, E has come and R also have came. Now it's our answer, REMB. We have to not repeat one word or element or number at least only one times, not more times in the answer. Now second, rule method or set builders form. In this method we do not write the list of element but write the general element using variable formed by a vertical line or colon, and write the property of the variable. Now example, A is equal to x element n 1 less than 1, x less than 10. Not we can't read like this. We have to read like this. Has A, set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. Now it is called has such that. We can read it as such that, not other way. Yeah, it has finished. Now here, example number 2, b is equal to x by x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Now set B contains all the prime number between 1 and 10. So by using listing method, set B can be written as B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. It has to written like this. Roster method and listing method both are same. Both are same, but they have other names. Now Q is the set of rational number which can be written in set builders form as Q is equal to P upon Q, such as P, Q, element 1, Q is not element 0, is equal to not 0. Now read as Q is set of all the numbers in the form P, Q, such that P and Q are integers, where Q is a non-zero number. In solutions, in the following example, each set is written in both the method, ruling method and set builder form, listing method or roster method. Now here the question: A is equal to x by x. X such x is a letter of what division? DIVISION. It's the spelling of division. Yeah. Now we do not have to repeat one element more time. Now D here, I here, V here, I is repeated by 2 times, so we do not have to write it as here, and I not have to repeat one more time. Now it is here also I, so we can't repeat the I. If we repeat the I, the answer can be wrong. Now O N, this is the proper answer. Now B is equal to y by y, such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. B is equal to minus 3. Yeah, it's right. Now C is equal to z such that z is a multiplier of 5 and is less than 30. Here it is. C is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we have to give the answer of it. We have to do it with own. Fill in the blanks given in the following table. Now here is our first example. Now A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It is in listing or roster method. Now in rule method, A is equal to x such that x is an element natural number less than 15. Now we have to do it with own. Thank you.